Hello everyone, our favorite Diwali festival is here and I'm so happy to be greeting my home cooking family which has been growing bigger every day. Thank you all so very much for your immense love and support. I've made several Diwali sweets. I hope you guys have tried them at home. So if you haven't, please go watch the videos and try them. I wish you guys a lot of light and love in your life. It's time we all burn our anxieties, insecurities, fears, and all other negative emotions that have been eating us up for a while now. Let's hope for a brighter and better future for all of us. Make sure you guys are very careful while bursting crackers, eat all your favorite sweets, but most importantly, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay safe. Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali.